Hello guys, Nick Z here. Another quick update on what I've been working on here. I got the catcher going there. I had to play around with a bunch of different types of coils to see if I could get one that works, because none of them worked. I tried these guys on there, tried fat ones, little ones, all kinds of different ones, and that's one of the ones that came out best. So the catcher does put out some kind of feel to it. This is a fluorescent. You can see it lights it up pretty well. So anyway, let's see. What have I done new? Well, I sort of built the antenna here. I got a different ferrite rod on there. This is a kind of a flat one instead of the round one. I broke the other one. And then I got the catcher on there with a new catcher windings on the secondary. Thicker wire, and so this is my basic grenade, and I have it connected up still to the Mazzilli. This is the Mazzilli with the bigger transistors. I still haven't gotten the heat sinks mounted on them yet, but I will. Anyway, I've got 3 chokes hooked up, and I'm using 12 volts. So that's what one bulb does to it. Let's see, let me turn on this light here, and I'll try to turn on the other bulb so you can see the difference. If you notice on the yoke, I have these little indicators right here. Those are worth watching also a little bit. And I don't have a feedback path to it yet or anything. I'm just getting the catcher working somewhat like it should. So I wanted to get the frequencies closer to where I can tune them and make something happen when I connect the ground, or this is my ground wire here. It goes off, connects to a thicker ground wire. It goes outside my house and into the ground. So anyway, let me turn on these other bulbs here, and this is another. There's 2 100-watt bulbs going, and you notice still the indicators are off over here. So that kind of tells me when resonance is happening. At this light level, at this output level, I can keep this thing going as long as I want. It doesn't overheat these FETs. I put just one fan on one of them, because the other one, this one here, doesn't even get hot. So just this one does. Now when I turn on this third bulb, third 100-watt bulb, you'll see that the indicator will light up over here, and the bulbs will all get brighter instead of dimmer. So here goes this last one. See how they all brightened up, and the little indicators are also showing that there's resonance there. So a lot of light. So I do have to watch the temperature on it, because it still does overheat and so forth, but with 2 bulbs it doesn't overheat. It can be controlled that way. So anyway, you know, like I said, nothing particularly special about it, just trying to get it closer and closer to the tuning, improve the tuning effort, and then I'll be working on new driver circuits and so forth. But first of all, I just want to get the grenade and catcher and stuff like that running, so that so that they do what they have to do. And so far it looks like it's doing it, but it's not an amazing output. Once I connect this is just a couple turns of regular insulated wires, and it's backwards to the way that the secondary is formed, but it goes through that, and each way it turns opposite and all that. I don't know if any of that helps actually, but we'll see in time. So once again, all three lights. This thing will light my house. And that's just three of them. I can put more on. It seems to like the more bulbs, it seems to help it, the higher load. So I'm going to look for 220 volt rather, bulbs to see if that works better or not. But so far it's working okay. Now I just have to continue on with the tuning and see what I can do. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I don't have anything more interesting to put out, but I'm still working on this. So again, thanks for watching and have a good one.